everyone! Okay. Today we're going to Touge factory in Chicago. One of my longtime sponsors since pretty much the end of last year. To not only check out some of their nice new Reinhardt suspension stuff, and also get a pretty special mod courtesy of Touge factory. So yeah, hopefully get you guys a behind the scenes look at how the shop is run and how beautifully clean it is. It's pretty special. But yeah, this mod should give me plenty of new performance and even faster cornering speed. That is the hope. Yeah, let's go get it.
New diff. New diff. It's not often you get an underside look. You get a look on underside of my car. And this is why. Because it's all oil. It's all oil residue. That's all oil. And I don't know where it's from. Oh. It might be from in there. I think I see it. That looks a lot like oil. Diff is out. Hello. Hello, drive shafts.
The reline is always good the same, but this is pretty good.
It's 1.5.
There's three inverted types.
See beep in there. Oh, if the camera focuses. It's carbon in there, apparently. Like between the metal plates. This is the guest waiting room. First off, that's pretty cool. Secondly, you can actually play Forza 4 while you wait for your car to get done. I also really love these. Maybe one day my car will look that good. You know, I can't resist it. I want this for track mode.
It's like $35 for a big enough work as my call. You just say it's 3 feet. Oh, right.
I like it. This is a shock dyno, correct?
Yeah.
You're just making a graph on there?
No, just running it.
Okay. This is Michigan road mode.
So we can actually make it go faster. The machine can actually go up to 30 inches per second, but we have to bolt the table to the ground and then bolt that to the table. Otherwise it'll rattle itself off the table.
Holy cow, okay. Maybe I can tell Mike to give me this. I promised that I will not film the shelves and the inventories, but I need to film this thing. It's too damn cool not to.
No, it's.
Oh.
That's how dusty it is. It's a pretty clean car. I wish you'd do something with it.
Yeah, looks so nice.